YouTube? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope all of y'all are having a great day. I really appreciate all the love and support that I've been getting from each and every one of you. It does not go unnoticed. I love each and every one of you that tune into the videos, those that aren't subscribed, those that are subscribed, and all those that got that notification bell ring. You dig? So at this time, if you are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead. Hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for your boy, DaRetroWizKid, and join your boy, the shoeologist, in the sneaker dungeon family. I promise you all will not be disappointed. We got big things coming. We still in 2018, but we finishing it off with a bang. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and do that. We're going to try to get this video up to 30 likes, y'all, because we've been doing good at getting these videos up to 30 likes, y'all. And with all that being said, go ahead and drop a comment below and let me know what y'all think about this video. So today we got another unboxing, and I'm pretty sure I already know what shoe this is because I was looking through the boxes, because I told y'all I had a couple boxes, so every day I'm gonna be doing an unboxing for y'all. I just have to be patient, and then I open up the box and boom, boom, boom. So today's unboxing is gonna be bought to us by none other than my bro, B-Boy Lost Spin. I'm gonna post his Instagram right here for y'all. Now this is another retro. So my bro collects. He has a phenomenal collection, one of the best collections hand down that I've ever seen. Y'all probably saw him at SneakerCon in Germany, the last SneakerCon that went to Germany. Y'all saw him on SneakerCon live on Instagram, but bro has one of the craziest collections. And today he's adding this shoe right here to his collection, but he's allowed me to share this unboxing with you all and show you all this shoe on the channel. So I appreciate that, bro. So with all that being said, let's get straight to this unboxing. Get it! All right, y'all, so we got the box open, and just like the other video, I'm gonna show you a little something right here. You know what I'm saying? Yes, this is GOAT verified, as you see, but y'all, as y'all see, bro is getting older and older with the boxes, y'all. So let's go ahead and get this box up out of here, y'all. Now, y'all, this released on 5/15/2004, y'all. These shoes are from 2004. This is a 14-year-old shoe, and I mean, come on, man. It don't get no better than this, y'all. Now, when this shoe released, it was $134.99, y'all. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all the actual label on the box and everything. As y'all saw, man, we have the white university blue with middle silver. We are not gonna smell test approve these kicks, y'all, because they have been worn. But right here you have that GOAT verified, and what's crazy is if you look, the GOAT authentication it has initials on it. Now these are not the same initials, and I wanted to test that out to see. These are not the same initials that were on the last pair that got authenticated. So that lets you know that there are different people authenticating there, in case y'all think that it's just one authenticator. I don't know, I just thought I would share that with y'all. So let's go ahead and get these bad boys out the box. Bam! There y'all go, man. We got the Mellow 12s, y'all. Now for a 14-year-old shoe, I must say this is not a bad shoe. I mean, of course it's been used. Of course there's going to be a little bit something different. Y'all already know what time it is. We're going to turn this around and get these close-ups on these real quick like and keep talking. All right, y'all. So here we go. That Mellow 12. These are very dope. You know, for a used shoe and for the age on it, it is aged really well. The leather's so soft on these, man. I'm not even going to lie. The tumbleness on them is soft. Toe box is soft. Everything is soft. You got that baby blue and white bottom, which you can tell they kept the bottom actually really clean. And also you see just a little bit of aging due to the age of the shoe. And we have that nice white tumble going around. Not a bad shoe at all for its age, y'all. Not bad at all. That baby blue and white going around, all of the upper white with a hints of baby blue. You got that 2-3 right there with that Jumpman on the tongue. And on the back, you already know you have that quality inspired by the greatest player ever. You feel me? 23 on the back with the white. Very dope shoe. I really feel like, you know, I want to see this Jordan box come back. And as you see on the other shoe, just giving you guys a nice look-see at it. Very dope. You know, this person kept this shoe in good condition for it to be so old. And I mean, hey, you still got the nice clean laces. I mean, come on, man. I feel like, you know, this is one of those shoes that, you know, I want to say it was a couple years back, maybe like last year or the year before, they tried to bring this back, but they did it in kids. They should have gave this to adults, y'all. They should have gave this shoe back to adults. Very dope shoe, man. Y'all let me know if y'all would like to see these get bought back. Of course, you know I will be giving y'all them pictures at the end. But in my opinion, for older shoe, this shoe is in very good condition. Of course, these were purchased off the Go app. Y'all know this video is not sponsored by Go or anything, but in case you guys are wondering, if you guys didn't pay attention to the Go card, but very dope shoe, man. There you have it, man. Those mellow 12s. Let me know if this was a copper drop for y'all back in the day, and if y'all would like to see this shoe retroed again. For me, of course, you know I like seeing older shoes come back, and I like the new colors, but it's always good to get a older shoe coming back. So y'all let me know what y'all think about that. You dig? So there you have it, the Mellow 12 from 2004. Y'all let me know, was this a copper drop for y'all back then? If y'all would like to see this shoe re-release in adult men's sizes for us, so you could get your hands on it. Me personally, I would love to see this shoe come back in men's sizes and adults. But like I said, to each his own. Some people might not want to see it come back. I think it's a slick colorway. I always thought that the baby blue looked good on the Jordans, just like the UNC ones, classic OG UNC ones. The baby blue just goes nice, and you know most Jordans are like predominantly red, black, white, black. So seeing those different colors that you don't normally see on the Jordans, because of course we know Jordan played for the Bulls and the Wizards, so a lot of the colorways matched the Bulls colorway. For real, all the big OGs match the Bulls colorway. So y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. If y'all would like to see this shoe retroed again. If y'all haven't yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for your boy, DaRetroWizKid. I appreciate all the love and support that I get from each and every one of y'all, and I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow in the next video. If y'all haven't yet, head over to Instagram and follow your boy at DaRetroWizKid, posting them pictures for y'all, and follow your boy on Twitter at Wiz_retro. Like I said, I'm still getting new to that Twitter thing, but I try my best to like post stuff on there, and I actually, you know, I follow back and everything, and I look at other people's stuff. Sometimes I hit the little retweet button and stuff like that. But y'all know what time it is. It's that time where I spin them pictures for y'all. So I'm gonna spin them pictures for y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. You dig?